Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale customer feedback with SurveyMonkey, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To scale customer feedback using SurveyMonkey, start by creating an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your SurveyMonkey account to access the dashboard. Click on the Create Survey button to start a new project. Select a template or choose to start from scratch. If you choose a template, browse through the categories and select one that fits your needs. For a custom survey, begin by adding a title that clearly defines the purpose of the survey. Next, click on the First Question field to add your first question. Select the question type from options like multiple choice, open-ended, or rating scales. Type your question into the field provided. Add answer choices if applicable. Continue adding questions, making sure to vary the types to keep respondents engaged. Utilize the logic feature to create branching paths based on previous answers. This will help you gather more targeted feedback. Once you have added all questions, preview your survey to ensure everything is clear and functional. Adjust any questions or answer choices if necessary. When you're satisfied with your survey, click the Collect Responses tab. Choose how you want to distribute your survey. Options include email, social media, and embedding on a website. Follow the prompts to set up your chosen distribution method. Customize the invitation message if you're sending it via email. If you're using social media, make sure to create an enticing post to encourage participation. Once you've shared your survey, monitor responses in real time through the dashboard. Use the analytics tools provided by SurveyMonkey to analyze your data effectively. Identify trends and areas for improvement based on the feedback received. Generate reports using SurveyMonkey's reporting features to easily share findings with your team. Finally, implement changes based on customer feedback to enhance your products or services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.